Power interruptions can cause a built-in safety delay, so your thermostat will typically wait about 5 minutes after power is restored before it turns the air conditioning back on. Most modern thermostats include a Compressor-Protect delay that prevents short cycling and protects the outdoor unit. That delay is commonly around 5 minutes but can range from 1 minute to 15 minutes depending on the model, fan and compressor type, and manufacturer firmware. If you want to confirm the exact delay, check the thermostat installation manual or the outdoor unit nameplate and firmware notes, and measure with a clock. Restore power, set cooling call, and time the interval to compressor contactor engagement at the condenser. For hardwired thermostat replacements, always turn off breaker power, verify common wire presence for continuous power, and use a multimeter to confirm 24 volts between the red and common terminals before swapping units to avoid triggering protective delays or boot-up sequences. When installing a new smart thermostat, allow for its own boot and network setup time, which can add 3 to 10 minutes beyond the compressor delay. If the thermostat shows a stable status light and still waits, the delay is at the condenser end. To speed recovery after a power loss, ensure the outdoor unit contactor and capacitor are in good condition, replace weak-run capacitors which can prevent proper start, and use a surge protector on the furnace or control board to avoid corrupted startup states. For properties with frequent outages, consider a small uninterruptible power supply sized for the thermostat to maintain settings and shorten the user-facing wait, keeping in mind the compressor protective delay will still apply at the condenser. If the delay exceeds 15 minutes, check for trapped error codes on the furnace or outdoor unit control board and clear them per manufacturer procedure, or call a qualified technician to inspect control relays and pressure switches. Document the exact model numbers and observe timings before contacting support so technicians can reference compressor lockout thresholds and firmware behaviors quickly. One of the most common mistakes is assuming every thermostat delay is the thermostat itself, rather than a Compressor-Protect delay. Fix this by timing the delay, checking the condenser contactor and compressor run capacitor, and reading the outdoor unit manual for the specified lockout time. One of the next common issues is improper wiring during replacement. Missing the common wire or mislabeling leads can cause long boot times or repeated restarts. Fix it by verifying the red and common connections with a multimeter, preserving the original wire colors when possible, and using a battery-backed thermostat only when common is not available. One of the third frequent problems is ignoring error codes and protective fault states on the air handler or condensing unit, which can extend the no-cool period. Fix this by checking control board LEDs, writing down fault flash sequences, and following manufacturer reset procedures or scheduling a service call if pressure or relay faults persist. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted HVAC pros and local contractors and helps homeowners quickly find trusted technicians familiar with thermostat delays and compressor protection. Contractors use the directory to get jobs and showcase verified experience repairing thermostats, condensers, and control boards so homeowners find qualified help fast.